Lipton, and today we're going to make some, let's see, Lipton Recipe Secrets burgers. Lipton onion soup with hamburger. We're going to make some hamburgers on the Blackstone today. You know, it's like there's so many smash burger videos on the Blackstone, and today I'm just going to make regular hamburgers, except they're going to be onion soup burgers. They're going to have Lipton onion soup mix in the burgers. So let's get it mixed up. I got them right down here. Okay, I'm also going to add a little bit of sour cream. I got my onions. I'm going to grill them on the side. So if I can keep the wind down. Y'all know it's windy here. I've got 2 pounds of 80/20, 1 pack of Lipton onion soup, and got a little bee flying around. I'm not going to use any garlic pepper, believe it or not, but I am going to use some some pepper. This onion soup mix has enough salt. We don't need any more salt from the garlic pepper, the SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. So we're just going to dig in, mix it in. Don't worry, my hands are clean. I'm sure most of you sometimes wonder when you're watching videos, there's a lot of cuts in between scenes, so that's usually when the hands get washed. It's mixed up real well. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm actually going to put, I don't know, maybe it's probably about a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Tiny bit more. Okay. All right, now I'm going to mix it up. Just like that. I think that's mixed pretty good. Get that sour cream on my fingers. Okay. And we're going to take these and make some patties. These are probably going to be about a 1/3 pound. Don't have to work them too much, but we are not putting the ball on the Blackstone and then smashing it. We're just going to make patties about that size right there. Okay, we'll get the rest of these made and we'll be right back. Okay, we've got our burgers. They're about 1/3 pound a piece. I used 2 pounds of hamburger, Lipton onion soup, black pepper, about a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and now let's get these over and get them on the Blackstone. Okay, we've got our Blackstone heated up. I got the temperature a little under medium. Just gonna spray a little olive oil on here. Get these burgers on here. Love that sound, right? The no smash Blackstone burger. I'm going to sprinkle a little more black pepper on there because I like black pepper. All good. You put on what you want. Okay, so my SD card got full. I thought I was filming. I missed the turning of the burger, showing the caramelization, adding the cheese to the top. I do have it with the cheese already on it, so I apologize, but I got to finish this because these burgers are outstanding. So here we go right here. There we go, look at that. Oh, man. I'm going to get these burgers off of here. You don't love that, right? Onion soup burgers. First I'm going to take the onions, grilled onions, and put them right there on top of mine. Just like that. Okay, that's how you do it, the onion soup mix burgers. I got them right down here. Take my bun, put some mayonnaise. Didn't make any sauce for these, so I'm just going to do it the traditional way. I'm going to do some mayonnaise, mustard, my burger here. It's got the grilled onions on it. Tomato on there. And I know you're probably sick of seeing it, but I put green chili on mine. It's not part of my title, but hey, it's New Mexico. That's how we eat them. All right. So here it is, the Lipton Onion Soup Burger. Yeah, man, I love that. With cheese, of course. Get the camera back up here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah. Dig right into that. Here we go. Perfect. Got the Lipton onion soup. Got the onion soup flavor in there. A little bit of green chili on that bite. Good, good, good. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.